Kadari, also known as Young Mage, and I'm very excited because I just finished my 3rd week of the We Uplift the World internship. This week was very eventful, and I'm pretty much just going to take you guys day by day of everything I learned this week. My goal was to mint my first music NFT, so I researched a lot into curated versus non-curated marketplaces. On curated marketplaces, you need to apply to get an invite in order to sell your art on that marketplace. On non-curated marketplaces, simply anyone can just sell their art. A couple of examples of curated marketplaces are places like SuperRare, Nifty Gateway, and Mint Songs. Examples of non-curated marketplaces are OpenSea, Rarible, and Factory by Mint Songs. For me, I knew that I had to build my name up on these smaller, non-curated platforms before I was able to get an invite into these curated platforms. So that's exactly what I did later in the week. On day number 2, a big thing that we learned was NFT staking. NFT staking refers to an NFT owner locking up their asset and getting passive income from that NFT in the form of cryptocurrency. I would compare staking to putting your money or something that you own into a bank and actually earning interest from putting that money into the bank instead of just having that money or whatever that thing of value is just sitting there. On day number 3, we were pretty much given the freedom to kind of do our own research. Me personally, I went on Twitter, and there's a lot of good information on NFTs on Twitter, so I searched around and I got into what ledgers are. Ledger is pretty much a physical USB drive that stores your information and your NFTs in that physical USB. So this makes it very hard for hackers to hack into your NFT collection or even see your NFT collection from an online location. With ledgers, we have what's called a hot wallet and a cold wallet. Your hot wallet's pretty much going to be your spending wallet, while your cold wallet's going to be mostly your savings wallet. Your hot wallet is what you're going to connect to OpenSea and these other big marketplaces to essentially spend and make more money. For your cold wallet, that's where you're going to just kind of store that money. You're not really going to connect to any more wallets. So it's going to be a lot less dangerous having that cold wallet, while your hot wallet's going to be a little bit more perilous. Day number 4. Day number 4 was huge for me because this was the day I minted my first music NFT on Factory by Mint Songs. I want to give a big shout out to Bijan. He helped me a huge amount he hopped on a Zoom call with me and walked me through the process of minting my first NFT. And honestly, the process was a lot easier than I had expected. Before really getting into NFTs, I really thought the Web3 space as being super complicated and taking hours of coding to really master minting NFTs, but there was none of that in this process at all. In fact, I didn't have to pay gas fees, which is crazy to most NFT artists. Factory by Mint Songs made the process really easy. All I had to do was really just upload my album artwork and my file and just set my price, and it was done. Really excited about this, so if you haven't already, please check out my new music NFT. It's called Hectic. It's going to be down in the description below. My goal is to eventually get an invite to the curated Mint Songs platform, but for right now, I'm glad that I was finally able to get my first music NFT out to the world. Anyway, that's going to wrap up this week's vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to uplift the world today.
I'm on Smash No Hawk, they know it's your mates, I don't gotta talk. Please not play with the boss, run up on me, you know what it costs. Balenciaga my socks, boy when the clouds up, put 'em on Fox. Me and my gang on lock, all the time, so we don't get clocked. All eyes on me.